Zhiyun Crane 2 is a groundbreaking camera stabilizer designed for film-grade shootings. Comes with a lot of revolutionary upgrades. Empowered by the advanced 6th generation Zhiyun algorithm system, Crane 2 realizes 100% improvement in response speed and gets high above the industrial standard with its unparalleled anti-shaking stabilizing performance. Integrated with the pioneering MCU parallel control technology plus the closed-source instant attitude compensation system, Crane 2 can support an exclusive maximum payload of 3.2 kg. Realizing 50% improvement in motor torque, it is mountable by all models of DSLR and mirrorless camera on the market. Now, let's cut out of the bag. Let's do the unboxing of the Crane 2. First, the accessories. A durable EVA protection bag, also with an adjustable carrying stripe. The stabilizer is well protected by the shock-absorbing foam away from potential damages during the shipment or field shooting tasks. The three 18650 2000 mAh batteries contained can secure 18 hours of runtime. The dedicated charger inside allows fast and simultaneous charging to the 3 batteries. Besides, it also comes with an aluminum alloy tripod, camera control cables for various camera brands, and of course, a user guide. The newly designed battery compartment makes the battery installation much easier. You can easily identify the negative and positive end. The control panel has also been upgraded, which for the first time in the industry, integrated an intuitive OLED display, helping you to easily monitor the status of both your camera and stabilizer in real time. The ergonomically designed control panel integrates a joystick, quick control dial, and follow focus controller, together with an intuitive OLED display, making your camera truly within easy hand control. Another groundbreaking feature is the follow focus design on the side of the handle. Crane 2 is the world's first 3-axis camera stabilizer integrated with follow focus control. Turning the follow focus controller would be like turning the Canon 5D lens itself, giving you seamless control over your camera. Get a Crane 2 and you will have a professional follow focus on its side as well. On the other side of the body, you can find a micro USB port for firmware upgrade. The DC 8.0 power outlet allows direct charging to your camera even when there is no battery. The quick release plate has been upgraded in accordance with Manfrotto standard, which allows easy and fast camera installation. Take Canon 5D4 for example. First, loosen the thumb screw and slide out the quick release plate. Then install the camera to it. Then tighten the 1/4 screw. Slide in the quick release plate installed with the camera. Then tighten the thumb screw. Loosen the lens support screw and adjust its position to make sure the lens is balanced and firm. Before proceeding to the next step, make sure the stabilizer is powered off or is under standby mode. Connect the micro USB to the stabilizer from the tilt access port and the mini USB to the camera from the left side port. Then you can control the camera through the stabilizer in real time. For Sony camera, the power on of the stabilizer should proceed. For Panasonic mirrorless camera with EVF, real-time preview is not needed. Finally, balance adjustment. First hold the tilt axis horizontal arm and loosen the screw on the quick release plate. Slide the plate forward or backward until the camera gets still and almost level with its lens facing front. Then tighten the screw. To balance camera on the tilt axis, loosen the thumb screw and adjust the tilt axis until the camera can stay still with the lens facing up. Tighten the screw. Next, let's move to the roll axis balance adjustment. Loosen the thumb screw on the roll axis. Adjust the roll axis until the camera can stay still while keeping the horizontal arm level. Tighten the screw. Finally, adjust the balance on pan axis. Loosen the screw on pan axis. Adjust the pan axis until the camera can stay still while keeping the vertical arm level. Then tighten the screw to finish. The key is to keep the camera still and balanced in all angles. Remember, Do not shake or loosen your grip when powering on the gimbal. When powering on the gimbal, hold your camera with one hand and long press the power button to start up the Crane 2. Now as the OLED display is screen on, we're now in the PF, pan following mode. Before shooting with the Crane 2, we need to adjust the motor force to adapt the stabilizer to camera and lens of different weight. Press menu and rotate the dial to motor. Choose between low, medium, and high options. As we're using Canon 5D camera, so adjust the motor force to high level. Configure the camera control cable options. Press menu and rotate the dial to camera to choose your camera brand between Sony, Panasonic, Canon, and close, which is the default setting. After the configuration, enter the stabilizer to standby mode. Long press power button to restart the stabilizer. To finish the parameter settings, if there still persists some deviations, try 6-side calibration. You could also adjust the parameters of your camera, such as TV, AV, ISO, and EV. Press left and right to switch between options and rotate the dial to adjust the value. For instance, if you want to adjust the sensitivity of follow focus, press menu and rotate to Sensi. Then choose between low, medium, and high options to your actual needs. The stabilizer would enter pan-following mode after powering on, with PF displayed on OLED. In this mode, the tilt and roll axes are locked. This means the camera will then pan-follow the movement of the handle, while you can still manually turn the joystick up and down to control the up-down tilt angle. Crane 2 has also, for the first time, allowed direct hand tuning to tilting angle in addition to joystick control. Press mode button again to enter locking mode with L displayed on OLED and all 3 axes locked. In this mode, you can adjust the tilt or pan angle manually by turning the joystick. Single press mode button to return to pan following mode. When you're in PF mode or L mode, you can always enter the following mode by quickly double pressing mode button with F displayed on OLED. In this mode, manual adjustment is unavailable. The roll axis gets locked, and the tilt and pan axis follow with your movement. Single press mode button again to return to the previous mode. Crane 2 is also designed with a follow focus controller with 3 adjustable levels to realize real-time focus control even when you are on the move, with portability and performance unparalleled in the industry. Crane 2 has been designed with a slow fall system for power-off protection, which can help you to land down your camera nice and steady, avoiding sudden drop when powering off the stabilizer. As the newest stabilizer designed for professional DSLR cameras, Zhiyun Crane 2 is born for film-grade video shootings. With groundbreaking technology and innovative design, Crane 2 gives you more possibilities of creation, like a real cameraman on your side.